All right, hello everyone. Again, this is Mr. Crozier. I wanted to help you with number 5 of your homework. It says a ladder that is 30 foot long needs to reach 27 feet up a building. What should the angle off of vertical be? Well, let's see here. If I have my drawing, let's see here. I have a building over here. Sorry about my drawing. It's not too easy. And we have a ladder going up, and the ladder is 30 foot, and it needs to reach 27. And I want to know what this angle is right here. Let's call it theta. All right, well, the only way we're gonna get this is with some trig formulas here. Let's label our sides. If this is theta, this is the adjacent. This is the opposite. This is the hypotenuse. And what do we have here? Well, theta, we know the opposite and hypotenuse. Well, that's a sine function. So sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. And so let's plug in what we know. Sine of theta is, well, hey, we know this whole side is 27 over 30. So now we know this side, and we have to go back to get this. Well, if you remember from your geometry days, going backwards in these trig functions is the inverse operation. You should see this button on your calculator. Sine with a little -1 up there means the inverse. So if I do that, think about it as you're doing that to both sides, just like you add the same number to both sides, you multiply the same thing to both sides. If you take the inverse sine of both sides, signs cancel out, and I'm left with theta. And over here on this side, I have inverse sine of 27 over 30. And if you plug this into a calculator, it will give you the resulting angle. And in this case, it comes out to be about 64.16 degrees. And this is the angle that matches those two measurements right there. All right, just look for this button on your calculator. It's usually right above the regular sine button. Regular sine button will output this value over here. The inverse sine will go backwards and tell you what theta needs to be. All right, I hope this helps.